Hello and thanks for watching this Cloud9 ERP Solutions video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about a new control and security in Acumatica 2022 R2 to prevent exceeding quantities in production orders. So in the past, when we create a move transaction, or a labor transaction for that matter, in Acumatica, we have the ability to exceed the total move or the total labor based on what the production order, what the bill of material was. And because of that, if somebody created a data entry error, your transactions could be way off. So if we go into production order types, and we'll just take a look at a regular order here. So you can see here, there's exceeding quantity for operations. That's whether or not when we create our move or labor transaction, we want to exceed the quantity at the operation level. But then at the end of the day, our exceeding quantity for the entire production order is here as another option. And we have three different options for these settings. And one of them is to allow, simply just to allow it. The other one is to warn. So you'll see, for example, an exclamation point on it. And the last is just to do not allow. So for example, if we go in here and we change this to warn, we'll save it. We'll open up a production order. And you can see here's one where the quantity to produce is 1,500. It's in the planned state. So let's open it up and release the order. And we'll create a move transaction. And we'll change it to 1,750. And you'll notice right now we have this warning message. The quantity for the operation would exceed the quantity to produce 1,500 in the production order. So that's one thing. If we delete this and we go back, and now we change this to don't allow. Go back here. We will create our move transaction. Put in a number that exceeds the 1,500. Save it. And notice we get an error message this time. And if we click OK, you can see what that error message is by hovering over it. Stating, again, the same thing, only this time it's not going to let you. It's not going to just warn you. It's going to stop you altogether. So that's it. That's this new setting in production order types that allows you to control exceeding quantities at the order level. But even at a more granular level, you can do it at the operational level. And that's new in Acumatica 2022 R2. If you like this video, please click the like button. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again, and have a great day.